Zella, are you talking to the TV?
Sockeye, king, chum, and each one of them is just beautiful in its own way.
What are you saying? Are you talking to Top Chef?
I got two varieties of salmon. I've had sockeye and I have chum. I have the idea of making
Are you delighted?
this type of weather, it just makes sense. And the chum's gonna be great for my dish. That oiliness, when I smoke,
Can you talk to Daddy?
great with the subtleness
Hi, Zella.
of soup.
You in your diaper? You happy in your diaper?
These fish look incredible. Super clean. They don't smell like anything but the ocean. Come here, you.
What?
Fish is about the easiest thing to do.
Hi, sweetheart. Who's a good girl?
Basically just fall out.
Can you smile?
Check it out. Oh, mama.
Say I love you.
This is fantastic. This is my best experience being a Top Chef so far. Is out here on the dock, feeding these fish, hanging out, and having a good time.
Do you fish a lot in Hawaii?
I used to fish a lot growing up.